I'm about to show you how to enable the monetization to start earning money on Instagram. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All you need to do is log into your Instagram account and go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Then go to edit profile, and once you are here you need to enable this option which says switch to professional account. So if you click here, you will have access to more features like statistics, and you can run advertisements, and you can get paid. So as you can see, you can earn money when you become eligible for features like bonuses and subscriptions. So click on next, and now you need to select what best describes your Instagram account. So for example, let's say you're a blogger. You can enable this, and you can choose if you want this to be displayed on your profile or not. In my case, I don't want to display it, so just click on switch to professional account, and now you will need to wait a few seconds until it finishes creating your account. Take in count that this will be on your same Instagram account, so you won't lose anything. Now choose between a business or creator. Click next, and that's it. Now if you click OK, you need to switch this option if you want to get promotional emails. And now optionally you can do some of these recommended steps to reach more audience, but this is not needed, so you can just close it. And now, as you can see, we have access to the professional dashboard for creators, and we can start earning money. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.